P. Prabhakaran. My project title is Facial Expression Recognition based on Local Feature Discriminant Analysis. My internal guide name is Ms. V. Shirley MCA. And my abstract of the project. Facial expression recognition forms a critical capability desired by human interacting systems that aim to be responsive to variation in the human emotional state. These trends toward a cloud computing and outsourcing has led to the requirement for facial expression recognition to be performed remotely by potentially untrusted servers. This paper presents a system that addresses the challenge of performing facial expression recognition when the test image is in the encrypted domain. And my existing systems are human computer interaction, pattern recognition, machine learning, human cognition. Disadvantages of my existing systems are the challenge becomes even more substantial when such effective computing systems are deployed in modern computing infrastructures, such as the emerging trend to move toward cloud computing, where computing is delivered as a service from third-party cloud servers. The server decides that a service does not leak out information to the client on the reference facial images that it holds in its database. And my proposed systems are principal component analysis. Advantages: facial expression database demonstrate that recognition rate of to 95.24% can be achieved even in the encrypted domain. There have been many advances in face detection. However, the area of expression detection is still in its early stages. There has been a great deal of work done in this area and even application of it. Model description, principal component analysis, system specification, hardware specification, processor or Intel Core Dual 2.3 GHz and 2 GB RAM, 250 hard disk, LED display, monitor and keyboard 104 keys. Software specifications, front-end MATLAB and back-end SQL Server 2008 and environment Visual Studio 2008. Language is MATLAB. And overall architecture of my system. First, image from camera. That means we capture the image from the camera and it's converted to the machine readable format and feature area extracted. The areas are in this in my picture we extracted, and then feature area combined with the facial action coding system and then stored in the database, and emotion results are taken and then results are stored in database. This is my class diagram. This is my sequence diagram. This is my use case diagram. The users are commit to the transactions or login and web camera and observation and face recognition, and also emotion detections are web camera observation and face recognition and store and face expression. This is my activity diagram. This is my screenshot. First we given the input from the any cameras and open the document from the system and choose the image file from the system and checking the file, uploading file into the database and checking face expression and process complete. Face expression recognition and the give output of facial expression. Thank you. This is my project.